Hi, yes, hello, Smile.
That is a
That's
good
fun.
way to open the stream. Thank you.
Bruh.
For courtesy of Spelunky 2.
So you guys understand that I'm not going to be sharing the screen. Right now I'm just posting it to all the places I talk in.
Yeah.
Uh,
If you need us to watch it to Twitch, that's fine, yeah.
I think I'm done unposting it everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, so just to show off where the engine's at, we've been working on getting more tile-specific collisions with this.
Yep.
So this working better with the tile map. It's been hell to make, and it's still not polished. I mean, finished. It's pretty dang. We're getting pretty dang close. Like, you can see Sonic runs pretty well here, but I'll see if I can show. Oh, there's the issue there. Seems to be has some issues where he just doesn't cling right. We're still working on that. It's who was it that did it?
Oh, yeah. I just just saw it.
It was I think it was random. Yeah, random name's been a huge help in fixing up the physics. Reading my garbage code and fixing it up. Yeah, there's the. Yeah, you see it right there. Sometimes Sonic just sticks to the walls. But that's not a problem with Godot's collision system thing. Unfortunately, it has mean because there was issues with the tile map, it would cause platforms to break. So I had to So I had to disable proper platform collisions even though they were pretty minor. Yeah, I can't run through that. So what I wanted to do for this, so you can see I got the shields here, right?
Yeah.
What I wanted to do was I wanted to make them functional because right now when you press jump in the air, it doesn't do anything. So that's what I wanted this stream to be, building in the functionality for the shields.
Okay.
Yep.
Looks like they don't play any sound too.
Well, I can't tell because I have the stream muted so I can hear you.
Yeah, thanks, Dave.
Yeah.
Thanks. Just killed Sonic. Yeah, now I gotta get back to it.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta look up the Sonic physics guide, see if there is any mention of how the shields work. Okay, so we know Sonic can grab the shields. So we probably want jump. It's been so long. What was the command? Was parents input, parent input. Okay, so then that is action. Oh, okay, so I have it as an input event. Probably gonna have to change that to make multiplayer work because that's gonna be bad. Oh boy, I just made my life hell. So, event that sound here. Jump actions. So, later on we put, check for Sonic, check if action press. Let's do a print here. Action. It should print an action with press jump there. Yeah, you can see it in the... You can see it in the debug in the corner. It says action, so that works. I'm very bad at explaining stuff and being entertaining. Coding and things. That is a brain actual thing. Yeah, don't worry, it's just painful actually doing it. So, shields. That's what we're looking for. So let's start with the simple one first. So, what was it? Match, which was a switch statement. So, music loud, music's loud. Okay, sorry about that. Is that better? For people in chat?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Rob. Okay, hang on. It's been a long time since I've streamed, so I'm a little rusty and nervous.
Understandable.
Just gonna hear you talk now. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Gamma.
Me.
Okay, so parent shield. Parent shield. Does it give me a hint? You mean you're a sussy baka? um, I don't know how to respond to that. I'm a little frightened now.
All you can do is
Ding,
accept
ding,
it.
ding, 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 ding.
I don't have my soundboard. Don't tease me. Joel, bruh, I mate from Joel, huh? Yeah, that's Joel.
Yeah, that's Joel.
Okay, so let's do something simple. Parent dot velocity dot y equals -100. So nothing happens when I'm like that, but yep, very slowly rising. Oh, I forgot, yeah, I forgot about those caps. I made it so that they can break apart in any way you wanted. And how many pieces you wanted, so it's like you just make it ridiculously huge. I'm gonna look at the physics guide, see if it says anything about shields. Sonic physics guide, shields. Special abilities, here we go. Electric shield. Okay, when Sonic does the electric shield jump, his X speed is unaffected, but his wide speed is at to -5.5 regardless of its previous value. Note, all shield abilities can only be performed once in air. Sonic must connect with the ground before he can perform them again. Okay, so it's set to 5.5, so 5.5 multiplied by 60 because that's a frame. Wait, no, I set up a value for this global original FPS. So that's been like my key for getting everything to match up the original's physics. So now when we get it, there it goes.
Yeah, there you go.
So now we need to make it so that export is jump. So we need to make it so that you can't reuse it when you've already used it. Oh, I forgot to. That's good. You're not coding it from frame locked to 60, I guess. Yeah, even though you're probably never gonna set it to anything other than 60 because that would fuck up the physics. Unless you're like a stickler for like the PAL version of Sonic, then you can set it to 50 and then you have the. But no, then it just adjusts it for that. So yeah.
Yeah, it does.
It'd still be going the same speed at 50. So no, wait, no, I'm thinking of it wrong. Yeah, okay, so it would adjust it for like the power region if you wanted 50. I don't know, I just like future-proofing my stuff even if it doesn't make sense. Volva. It's like Strike Force Shields or whatever else. I'm thinking it might be better to just build it into the state here. So, ability use force. I swear I had an. Let's see now. What's a state? Set state. Let's roll. Let's see. It's been a long time since I've been in here. Because, like, basically what my hiatus was about is I've been, like, trying to get the physics to not suck. Let's see now. Is there, like, any... Set floor, old shape is small big shape. That's interesting. Functions icons just call them as needed instead of having together. Parent not ground. But this is gonna make problems where it's okay, so I think I'm gonna have to put it into the parent because otherwise if I put it into the jump air, it's gonna cause problems later down the line. So whereabouts should I put this? Spin dash power. Probably around here with the other abilities. Put it next to the spin dash power. Wait. Connect to floor. Not ground. Grounded equals true. False. There, that way when it's on the ground it's always set to false, so we'll put a comment here, shield actions. Event action and not ability used. Set ability used to true. Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh right, parent. Yep, it only happens once. Now let's see, I'll spike, shield. Okay, so we're probably gonna want to. So I want to make some more sound effects. Okay, that is loud. Duplicate. Let's give these other ones the proper names. So, lick, hold. Duplicate, fire, shield. Duplicate. Bubble, shield. Wow. Hey Rob, can you do the sound effect?
Can I hear the sound effect? Hang on, I gotta wait
You know,
for the shoot to catch up.
the bubble shield. Like the wow.
Wow.
Okay,
I
so I
should turn
don't
off
have
the-
the shield get sound effect, so I'm gonna have to go. So this is the fun part, I gotta gather the audio for it. And by fun, I mean I'm gonna hate this a lot. So, hang on, I need to get the game open again. I know you're not thinking
just-
about this yet, but honestly, it won't be. Add more movesets. Maybe if I could get through the shields, can get the Mania ones. I think the guide actually covers a lot of the moves, doesn't it? No, you're not thinking about this yet, but well, actually, the only one I'm thinking about is like Ray and Mighty. Those ones I'd probably need help with because I don't think there's a good asset repository for those. So now here comes the fun part, because all my Sonic Free sound effects aren't labeled, I gotta like listen to every one until I find the one. I can get you the Mania ones, the Mania sounds. And I've been singing with the Sonic Free sound collection, I don't... But the ones in Mania are named, aren't they? Oh! Right, yeah, it's right. Oh, come on, VLC Media Player. Well, I got the fire and bubble shield already.
Oh, nice.
So, fire, shield,
Yeah, I'm hearing it now.
bubble, shield. Yeah, there's a... Can you make that sound with your mouth, Rob? The...
The
I need to make that a sound... I need to replace the Dynamite Heady sounds with, like, the wow.
wow. Let me restart the stream so I can catch up a little bit.
He's doing a little comment.
Actually, it's a 15 minute.
Oh, that's an error.
Okay, I'm back.
Isn't that the electric shield sound? Like the wang?
I think so.
Elec shield. Okay.
I only remember body.
Okay, can we get
Bubble
like the
shield.
action? I gotta find the actions now. That's gonna be fun. No, wait, that's it. So what's this sound?
Oh, that's the that's the electric shield.
No, the other sound. Like that wang. Like, hang on, I'll
Yeah,
play it again.
that's,
That one. What the hell's that sound? Oh, that's...
yeah, that's
I
electric
need to
shield.
use
That's electric shield. Yeah.
No, hang on.
Oh.
Okay, so this... Hang on, let me just play it again, because I feel like there's an... So this is the electric shield, and this is the other one.
Oh, so it's like I think the first one is when you get it, and then the second one is when you use it.
No, but the second
Oh, yeah,
one's
yeah,
like...
yeah.
Bing. And it's when you get the shield, the other's when you use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rob was right.
Ah, there's this
You
use. Okay,
You
cool,
could
we got
say
them
Rob
all.
is pretty epic.
So this one is fire use. Bubble use. And Elec use. Okay, but there we got our sound effects. Fire. I know, yeah, yeah, that's what I thought, Gamma. I think I've seen a few hacks use that sound effect for like the old shield, but to be honest, I like the old sound effect more. Okay, bubble shield. Okay, let's duplicate these. Elec use. Fire use. Bubble use. Where's the Elec use? There it is. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so 10's around the area I want. So player dot sfx 10, 11, 12, 13 dot play. Sent the Mighty and Ray moveset decomp. Hopefully you can kind of use that guide to rebuild him. Thanks, Gamma.
Yeah.
Definitely share this with the team.
Blah blah.
Okay, so it's not going to play any sound effect, but... Yeah, that's better. I wish the particles followed Sonic in the original, then this could be like a 2-second job to do the particle effect. But no, it's stationary, so I got to figure out how to do that. Okay, so we want 10 on the shield monitor. Player touch shield. Okay, so player. This is part of the player itself, so set state shield. Oh, that's jump. Where's set shield? Oh, up there. So set this to 10. So that spawns when you double jump. Yeah, that's what I gotta do, and I don't want to do it. Alright, this is the object itself. Probably gonna need to come up with a better way for, like, playing sound effects, because I can't expect everybody to just count with the sound effect they want. Like, maybe I'll put a tool that, like, tells you all the indexes. Bubble Shield's probably going to be the hardest because that one's like has like a reaction to the environment. The other shields just set your speed and that, so that one's going to be interesting to try and handle. So
It's like, doesn't the fire shear also react to the environment? Like,
it sets stuff on fire, but that's about it. The most I could do with that is just make any object that reacts to fire, just check, oh, are you on fire?
okay.
So now they should all just give me the same aim action. God, that feels so unnatural, having the bubble shield bounce you the other direction. Oh, I should mention that to you, Vada Pig, actually.
Yeah. Psych.
Sorry, sorry, it's like... sometimes I, message Vada Pega whenever I come up with a curse for like, Sonic hacks. Because it's like because it's like, I'm proud to say some of those, like, shit posts he's been doing is my fault. Okay, so what does the Sonic Guide say on the other shields? It has a player variable that says has shields and has a number 0 for none, 1 for reg, 2 for electric, etc. So it's like, that makes it easy to check and whatnot. Yeah, well that's kind of what the shield value does here, so it's like, if I want it to react to none, I just say none, and then I put the action here, say... Oh wait, I should probably play the insta-shield. Whoops.
I'm Sonic.
There.
Yeah, we got it fast.
Now that's interesting. Ring magnetization is probably going to be tricky too, actually. You're right, Rob. Fire's actually probably the easiest because that one doesn't have any interaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the guide, it's like Flame Shield. Well, Bubble Shield, and then Electric Shield is the whole paragraph. It's like, Okay, so Flame Shield. When Sonic does the Flame Shield, his X speed is set to 8 in the direction he is facing, and the Y speed is set to 0. So, we can probably do it like this. We want to do it as a vector. Zap. That's right, boys. Zap. Okay, so
Oh my god.
8. What's the one for calculating direction? I think I put it in normal. Oh, what's it roll? Spin dash, here it is. Current spin dash power. There it is, parent direction. Flame Shield is hard to get right because it also does a small X camera lock to make it seem like you're going fast. So I speed regardless of previous value. Oh, that's interesting. I don't think I've coded in, like, camera locking yet. It's like, I've been more about, like, trying to get, like, Sonic's core mechanics going before I did any of that. I say that as I'm working on the shield instead of fixing his physics. I could probably do the camera lock, maybe. Okay, when Sonic does a bubble shield bounce, his X speed is set to 0 and his Y speed to 8. When he rebounds from his ground, the Y speed is set to negative 7.5. Okay, let's see how that goes. So that should set it all up now. Whoops. I need to make the shields react too, that's right. It's so annoying. Oh, yeah, I like to put all the tiles here. Whoops. Oh yeah, that's a funny thing about my editor, actually, I should show that. Alright, I didn't test the bubble. I got really happy for a second because I thought, oh, I accidentally did it. Nope. Well, I can do that. That's fun. Did that work? Right, so this is the funny thing about my editor. It's meant to work just in the... I don't think I'm actually going to be able to... Okay, so you saw the... Like, for like a brief second, you can see the editor I was using. It actually works while you're in-game too, so it's like... Yeah, but it only works on tiles, so... Just messing around now, so just put it here. Yeah, welcome to Mario Maker. I think it will probably need X speed set to 0. Well, it says on the guide is Y speed is just set to -1, so maybe it'll just work fine. Okay, so... Because otherwise, if I set its X speed to 0, it'll just like bounce straight up on a slope, and that's not how it worked in the original games, if I remember right. Ugh. So I think what I'm gonna do... So it's probably gonna be something in here, so... Bounce reaction equals 0. So let's connect to floor, ground, shallow. Bounce reaction. So what I'm thinking is bounce reaction will only activate if it's a value higher than 0. Probably need to say, okay, I read that comment already. So if bounce reaction greater than 0, velocity dot y equals negative bounce reaction, and multiply by global dot original FPS. So now when we use the bubble shield, where's the jump? There it is. We set this to 7.5. Alright, I should probably like... Alright, parent. Always forgetting that. So, I need to set bounce reaction to 0 so it doesn't just keep reactivating. And I need to put Sonic in the right place. Oh yeah, this is the one thing that bothers me about Godot. Okay, it's not selecting anything. So just move that over here. Okay, it's not... Now it's not cooperating. So I put it out of view, right? So I put it out of view, right?
Yep.
God damn it. Okay, so it doesn't happen if I put it there, but if I put it here... It's like I gotta make sure this thing is out of view, otherwise it activates while I'm clicking around. See?
Oh.
Yeah. So it's like it's gotta scroll out. It's something I gotta figure out how to like disable if it's like not in the editor view. Yes. but yes, random name. Bubble shield bounce velocity does depend on the floor angle, which is what this does automatically. So when Sonic's connected to the floor, it'll say it's like, okay, now send his velocity up, and that factors into the slope angle that he's already on the floor. So... I think I messed something up here.
Yogi Boo doing a little bounce.
Yeah. Damn it.
Don't know if he's supposed to jump this high. Okay, let's test it on a slope. Well, it almost does it. What?
I'm just laughing at the fact that if you keep doing it, then it just does the weight animation.
Yeah, see, it works.
Yeah.
I think I did have some animations for the shield, so where's the shield? There it is. So by default, it's set to that, but here's the bubble action. Oh, this is tricky. This shield's fire. What was it? So parent, Dutch. What was it? Shield sprite play default. So let's go fire action first. Excuse me.
No problem.
Fire was action. Toot. Thanks, Rob. I need to update those emotes.
Yeah, you could probably. Yeah, you probably would have some more, but yeah.
What? Oh no, we killed Sonic. Okay, so probably gonna have to do a shield check for normal. Where is connector floor? There it is. Shield checks. Shields dot fire. Actually, you know what? We could do it with bubble too. We select, what is it, jump? Still love how it's like the default is I'm Sonic. So it was bubble action. Let's see how that works. If it works, it's also scaling it incorrectly. Let's see how bubble shield works. I think the frame needs to be set to 0. Dot frame 0. Okay, now let's see how that works. It's not playing right. Like, it does the first frame of it, but it's not doing that wide shot. What's going on here?
Yeah, we go a little bouncy.
Yeah, Sonic do be doing like a little waiting.
You do be waiting, though. Why didn't it work? Maybe it needs playing set. Dot play. I think that's how the code works, but whatever. The hell? Yeah, so you can see it's working there. Whatever, we'll have to figure it out later. It's really weird that that doesn't work. But it works if I bump up the frame rate.
Maybe. I think it's like maybe rendering the frame too fast to render it at all.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Wait, I have one question though. Whoops. Okay, good, it doesn't reset. I was worried that every time it lands it would reset, but it doesn't.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so I want to fix the fire direction. So I'll just say dot flip age equals false. Now does can we set it to jump fire action? This in 0. Okay, so that should scale it, flip it, depending on your direction. There it is. I do notice it's a bit ahead though.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna put like a special case statement here. So normal was jump, animation play spin dash, play roll. So we'll just put that into bounce reaction. Where's bounce reaction? Okay, well, let's see if putting it in here fixes that issue where he keeps standing up. Whoops. Nope, that didn't fix anything. Well, sometimes it does. It's like every other time he doesn't though. So that's if I let go, this is if I hold it. that shouldn't be happening. That's always fun to do. Oh, what happened there? There's some sad souls. What's so sad about them?
Oh wait, I think they got a little bit of red on the edge.
Oh, yeah, that's a hitbox. I called it red so you know it's dangerous.
Yeah, it's like you can interpret it in a different way though. Haha.
That's some really gravitational pulling blood if that's blood you're implying. No, that's the Doppler effect. Oh yeah, this is the Doppler effect. Okay, so I'll have to come back to the rolling issue later. So the bubble in that is good. I'm happy about that. So we're probably gonna have to create a new. Do I have like the bubble shield? Do I have the like sparks in a graphic? It's the shield. Yeah, there it is. Shield lightning spots. Ugh. Let's see now. Particles. Particles 2D, GD. Never really sure which one to use for these. So we're gonna create a... I think we'll just use it as a script. It's too hard setting up a particle generator. As for Sonic. Items. There it is. I think that should be going faster. I don't know, I don't remember how they react in the original. So, like particle scripts, player, like particle. Okay, so speed equals A. Free, direction, stick, dot right, func physics process. Actually, it's just process. So because we're not doing any physics logic, so we can probably put it on process because that requires less intensity. Direction x speed. If speed greater than 0, speed negative equals delta, else q true. Spelled that wrong. Particle. Entities. Miscellaneous, like particle. So this is a simple particle. Din, 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 din. So we'll put it in here because it's the only class that uses them. So var elect part equals reload. So like the what was it? Right. Okay. Part equals like part dot instance part yeah, we'll leave election direction alone for now. We just want to see that it spawns. So parent dot get parent dot add child like part dot global position. Huh? Oh, right. Great, it broke.
Oh.
Valid set global position on base pack scene with value type vector 2. What? It's an electric particle.
Bruh. Be on BRB for a moment.
Sure.
Alright.
Note the object row class item pack scene. It's not subclass. What? Oh. Got it back to front. Okay, that probably goes too fast. Stand. Okay, cool, we're almost there. So we'll do a quick for loop for this for I in range. Vector 2, 1, 1. Dot rotated 90 degrees. Dig to red. 90 degrees multiplied by I. There we go. Just set that to free just to make sure it's not looping over itself, creating unnecessary ones. Yeah, okay, needs to be 4. There you go, I'm happy with that. Yeah, look at that, that's perfect. I love it, I'm happy.
Alright, I'm back.
Hey Rob, check it out, we got the new particles going.
Yeah, there you go. Pog.
Hey, while we're at it, do you think we should do the invincibility shield? Because that could be interesting to do.
If you think so.
Okay, so basically what so it's like in the original Sonic the Hedgehog, this invincibility was just like a pre-baked graphic of like stars circling around. But in Sonic 2 and 3 onwards, It would like cause 2 stars to circle around Sonic and leave emission trails behind you. And it was really
Yep.
cool. So now, and that's something I was putting off because it's like it's more harder to do that than like pre-bake it like I did over here. Did I even have Sheer Lightning? I don't think I have those stars. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to look into graphics for it, please. Do I have them somewhere? Assets. Man. And tech's giving me a lot of assets to rummage through here. We could do lava, points, a platform. This is invincibility stars anyway. We got the giant ring from Sonic 3. Where is it? Ah, there it is. Invincible stars. Perfect. Source, graphics, items. Okay, and they should be... Where are they? There they are. Where'd they go? Oh, they were... I had, had the shield selected, that's why. So I think what we're gonna need is... We're probably gonna need 2, so... And I think I'll have a node 2D to hold them in. That way I can just like toggle this instead of toggling them both. One. Invincibility barrier. So it's asking for sprites, so new sprite frames. So it's only one. Ah, this is tricky. They aren't lined up. Oh boy. So I'm probably gonna have to spend some time lining these up in this rip. Just do that as quick as possible. Sorry about this.
It's alright.
So, if you excited about Mega Man X in the future?
Mega Man X in the future.
Yes.
I mean, what exactly about Mega Man X in the future?
Like if they
I
make
mean,
a
I
new
don't
game
know.
or something, I don't know.
Oh,
I
no,
heard,
yeah, absolutely.
heard Capcom says they have sort of plans about it.
I didn't even know that they were like still considering it.
Oh yeah, they
Yeah.
like had a teaser in what they've been like saying it's on the table since Mega Man X Legacy Collection 2.
Yeah,
Oh,
they said they might think about an X9. I don't know what they're
Damn,
gonna
yeah.
do. I
But
don't
it's
know
like I
where
know
they're
that
gonna go
collection did well.
Yeah, I think it did decently. I got the PC one though. It's not really that great.
Yeah. Oh yeah, all of them aren't that great. So Star Generator 1, playing.
Mm-hmm.
So let's set it to 20.
Because my main issue with the PC port is like you can't.
Okay,
You
I
can't
think
change
this one's
controls
probably a bit
and-
too much, so probably want something like this. And what this would do is it'd circle around Sonic.
Oh yeah.
So maybe bring them in closer. Okay, probably too close. Actually, yeah. They need to be in front of Sonic, so I'll set the index on this one. 3, 4, 5. There it is. So we need them to start rotating, so we'll put that into the code here. Put that in process since it's not a physics related thing, so rotating stars. Oh, I just realized I'm out of music. So I'll just put on the Mega Man X2 OST.
Yeah. Speaking of Mega Man X, as I was saying, I think my main issue with the X collection, at least on PC, is that you can't really change the inputs.
Yeah.
Because
that's balls.
Because they I think when they were porting it, they thought that like, oh hey, we'll just put it in the in-game options rather than a separate menu, or the menu that you can bring up.
Ugh. So for I in stars.
Yeah.
I dot position equals position dot rotated. Let's say 360 degrees in a second multiplied by 4 times, so it'll do it 4 times a second. Alright, dig to rad. You always gotta go dig to rad. So do I dot position equals I dot position rotated. So now when we run that, it probably goes too quickly. But it works.
Yeah. I think.
Maybe that big frame I did need after all.
Yeah, I think it's like.
And since they both share the same animation.
I'm gonna say maybe make it flicker a little less so it doesn't seem too epileptic. Like,
I don't know. I think that's a good
like,
balance.
yeah, because like my concern is like some people like, so I'm not too affected by flickering red. I'm not too affected, but I can tell when it does like bother me a little bit, but not too much. But it might bother someone else that has epilepsy issues.
So we need to add another one for we need to create a particle for this one. So I think this one would be easier. So we'd probably make a script for animated destroy on completion. So we'll probably do another one of these. Because we're going to make it share. So
Yep.
star single. Set this to 20. And turn that off on looping. Oh, we got to set to both. Ugh. So new scene, animated sprite, star particle, paste. We'll use the star single. New script. So this isn't a regular script, so this is going to go in miscellaneous. Free on animation completion. It's full. Animation finished. Get rid of the start particle, just call it animation finished. Cue, free. Funk, ready, play, playing equals true. That way it activates it when it's, that way it just activates, you know? Yeah. That way it activates when it's spawned, so copy path, put that into play. Because if I have it playing in there, then it's going to set it to the end frame and just delete itself when it spawns, and I don't want that. So, ring.
Hang on.
Star. What's up? Okay, so this is probably going to be bad. It's going to be creating one every frame, which I don't want it to do. I probably want it to create like every 4 frames or so. So let's go star equals star.instance. Star global position equals I dot global position get parent dot add child star. So now when I run this, look at it.
Yo, shiny.
It's called effect.
Alright, I'm back.
Hey Rob. Trying to figure out what this effect looks like, but I can't put my finger on it.
It reminds me of like not a specific effect in this game, but it reminds me of Knuckles Chaotix.
Yeah, I can kind of see that.
I was thinking about maybe it kind of reminds me of Rysar when, like during the after you beat the level.
Ooh, that's also actually there was along those lines. Where I was thinking.
Oh god, I'm also thinking of Garfield caught in the act. I think the backgrounds also kind of help it. Specifically.
So I'm just kind of mesmerized by it.
It's called wave dashing, John.
Star dashing. God, what if Garfield appears in like that Nickelodeon fighting game?
Yeah,
Oh god.
they currently own the animation. They currently own the licensing rights to Garfield, right?
I think so. I'm gonna add some randomness to the star generation, so. And I. Range from 0 to 2. This ought to like add some variation to it. And the answer is hardly any. Okay, let's make it the random range higher. Let's set it to 9, see what that does. Well, that's better. But still creating them too frequently. Is there like a global timer for this stuff? Wait, yeah, there is. I created one for the HUD. Level time. There it is. So let's do this. So F mod level time. So now 3 greater than 2. Plus delta greater than 3. But then that's only gonna create it every frame, so I'm gonna set the 0.3. Oh, right. Global level time. So this is free. Well, it's creating them less, but it's also creating it too less, so let's set it to 0.1. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, look at that. That's way better.
Yeah.
Although I'm not sure how the trail's like that at the end. Shouldn't it be reversed?
Honestly, normally it would. It does kind of create a neat effect. I don't know how it is right now. But...
I need to look up how, like, the invincibility in Sonic 2. Let's see, no, Sonic 2 invincibility. Yeah, sure, whatever. Just bring me the history of videos.
Haha.
Ha! History of Sonic drowning.
Evolution of clickbait. Thumbnails. Yeah, that's what I thought. So I need to do like a proper analysis, but the particle particles are more like probably put these at the end. Like this, so when I go into this one, whoops, don't need that one anymore. I think I did the wrong ones. Yep, I did. Now I gotta reorder them. No! I made a mistake. Okay, good. So probably want this one second, this one first. So now let's see how that turns out. Yeah, that's a lot better.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, sometimes I'm feeling a little wow.
I'd make a joke, but like I don't think that's appropriate.
Why isn't it appropriate, Rob?
I have a feeling I know what to do with this.
Oh, that's so satisfying to see in action.
Yeah, yeah.
Hell,
God, I hate
yeah,
that.
that's solid.
Yeah, it looks baller. Especially when you're running at high speeds.
You'll never be ballin'. I'm still thinking about like that guy who made a Punk Thing Sonic clone on Roblox.
God.
Wait, what?
Yeah, didn't you know? Somebody like recreated a Sonic physics thing in Roblox and it actually works.
Oh my god.
That community scares me.
Same.
Yeah. Sonic does a little oof sound when he dies.
To be honest, do a D-Sprite sheet, then I can put it into Sonic. Okay. So, I guess we want to make this activate when you get like a invincibility monitor.
Yep.
If invincibility bout got visible. So I only want to do that if it's visible. If it's invisible, then it's just does nothing. So let's see now. I guess it counts as a shield, so stars. No, it doesn't. Otherwise, I can't. Otherwise, it'll take your shield away. So let's see now.
Yeah. Because, yeah, that... It's like when you're,
When you
When you
Yeah.
I love that move.
when you know you could do so much and you could do anything. Okay, so how do I put in time? Sup time. So if soup time greater than 0, soup time equal delta. If sup time less than equal to 0, then we do the activation stuff. If current shield not equal none, shield strike not visible equals true. So what? Did you just die?
I almost did. I got scared out of my mind.
And invincibility barrier to visible equals false.
Funny splunky moment.
Yeah, very funny spelunky moment.
And subtime less than equal to 0. So where's save time? There it is. So where's monitor? Here it is. Ring, shield, features, invincibility. Invincibility. Players.soup time equals 30 seconds dot shield sprite equals. Wait, no, I can just do this. No, I'll do this. Dot visible equals false. Dot get node. I probably need to put some propagate in here. Visible. That's true. Okay, let's see how that comes out. And I slipped. Okay, gotta do that again. So this shouldn't interrupt the shields either. Yep, still have them. Yep, can't get hurt either. Oh, that's an error I gotta fix. You can't bounce it. Oh wait, that's because I'm not in my rolling state. There you go. Wow. Love how that last one explodes. What? Is it playing the intro again? Laboratory.
Hey, you get this close.
What? Did you say, did you get those photos printed?
Yes.
Printed?
Logos printed?
I love how you just said what perfectly and on cue, and you didn't even notice.
I blame Fire Up for you guys being like this.
I mean, you wouldn't be wrong. You wouldn't be wrong to blame her.
I still can't get over like they were playing like the Sonic Minecraft thing, and and you got your government mandated Sonic the Hedgehog fan character or kangaroo. And why did it give you one but not me one? That's what I don't understand.
I think it's because
Yeah,
you were.
I have no clue.
I think you were using the race skin.
Do you think that would make a difference? Cause like that's just the skin, you know.
Well, surely it would have called me Shab the Squirrel or something.
Guard the cat.
I still love this thing.
And
I need to finish this thing up sometime. Because it's like, I could see like a lot of people getting a lot of use out of this thing.
Yeah. Kind of pog.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Why is it activating before I'm on it? Oh, I think I know what it is. It's my collision map's not picking it up right. Alright, this is something I was really proud of, how the springs react to depending on your angle. So they don't just, like, send you off the ground or whatever, it's like you can be sent back the direction you're going. As you are already on like, that direction or whatever. That makes sense, shut up. Well, I guess we're done with the shields. For now.
Yeah. Sure, you gotta do some more testing when.
Well,
the
actually,
Admir's
I
thing.
still need to activate, like, the, shield. Ugh. Okay. So, where is it? Here. So, jump. We want to do the insta shield, so... Insta shield.
Or the
Found what now?
Spin Dash W in Japan, as it's called.
The what now?
I mean, if you I think Sonic 3 Manual kind of refers to it as the Spin Dash W.
That's stupid.
Well, I mean, usually the W in Japan usually refers as double or something.
So we need to go...
Ooh.
Can we go dot stop? Yes, we can. So we need to put in a yield. Yield. Shield. Surely it would have a yield for like animation. Script. Animation. Finished. What's on here? Shield frame changed. Oh right, I did some like finagling with this to make like indexes appear right. Okay, scope. Yields. There it is. God, like talking about X for a minute, I still think it's funny that it's like Wily's ultimate creation ends up teaming up with his worst enemy. It's like even in the death, Wily was a cuck. I shouldn't say that.
Oh god, no. Oh my god.
I'm sure this is going to cause some issues later down the line.
Babe.
Yes.
You're lucky Kara isn't here, because like
I wish he was here. Then you could laugh at my funny jokes.
yeah, same.
Whoops. I keep forgetting this is down here now. Right, can I get back up there because I need to test it. But yeah, I saw people as saying it's like they're looking forward to the Sonic documentary, but they're not looking forward to seeing Ego Raptor there. Don't know if you guys had any reaction to that.
I didn't even know that was with Ego actually.
What?
I didn't even know that was happening.
Well, yeah, they're doing like this thing where they do a retrospective from Sonic fans, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like we got like the completionists or whatever doing it there, and it's like people. I saw people saying it's like, man, they're looking forward to this, but they're not looking forward to the inevitable Ego Raptor segment.
God, because he's not even a fan of the series.
He's just a dude that exists.
No, he just no, he's a fan. He just hates everything that the character is known for. But he's a fan otherwise somehow.
Yes.
It's like me saying I'm a Simpsons fan because I hate the show, but I love the characters. I hate the Simpsons. No, it's like saying you love the Simpsons game, but you hate the Simpsons show. So you're a Simpsons fan. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Actually, you know what? I should probably put a check here that the shield is... I think the best way to do this is just do a check that the shield is still, like, none. That way, if it's like... if there's an update to it or something like that, it doesn't crash it.
Yeah.
So, yes. Check shield. Okay, where is it? Okay, so we ran out of Mega Man X songs. So I'm gonna put on Sonic 3D Blast. So you know what, I'll put on the Mario and Sonic remix.
I still find it funny that the last Sonic game Traveler Tales ever touched was Lego Sonic.
Oh god, yeah, that was a callback, huh?
Yes. And then the last Sega game they touched before that was Monkey Ball Adventure.
Oh god.
God, I'm still thinking about that that magazine ad. Oh my god.
I only know about the ad. I barely know anything about the game, and I even looked up gameplay footage and still have no idea what it is.
I know for the fact that it's not very well liked.
Yes. I have no idea what you're talking about, but yes, I agree.
Yeah, I haven't played it either, but that's what I heard. So don't take that with a grain of salt.
Should we work in like the electric shield ability, rig magnetization?
Yeah. Go for it.
Okay, ring magnetization. When Sonic has the electric shield, nearby rings will become mobile and begin moving towards him in a unique way. If a ring falls within a radius of approximately 64 pixels in Sonic's position, they will become magnetized and begin to move. When magnetized, the rings have an X and Y speed and do not collide with anything except for Sonic. In order to move correctly, we have to calculate how fast to move the ring and in what direction and to accelerate. The ring accelerates at two different rates depending on its relative division and speed. A point when already moving towards Sonic in order to not pass him too quickly, and 0.75 when not, in order to quickly catch back up to him. First is the check to see if Sonic is relatively horizontally. If Sonic is to the left of the ring. So I think what we're gonna have to do is put a magnet on Sonic himself. So, let's see now. So put in ring magnet. And we'll create a collision shape 2D. let's go create this blue. So here's what I was thinking. So it has to be a radius of 64. And when it's not in use, it goes to 0. Because then when a ring enters its magnet state, it'll already be touching Sonic. That's what I was thinking. So let's see now. What is the... Right, I'm out of music again. Let's just listen to the Mario and Sonic at Olympic Games OST.
Mamma Mia, says Mario.
Mama Pia, Papa P, but yeah.
Hey, did you know gaming that when Mario says Mamma Mia,
I like the pause you had before you said gaming, like you had to really work up the courage to say gaming.
Did you know when Mario says Mamma Mia, he's actually referring to Burrow? Because
why would he be referring to Birdo?
you know that recent Mario Golf game where she calls herself Mama?
Oh, sweet Jesus, don't remind me. I completely forgot about that.
God.
Okay, so
like,
let's just...
man, have you seen Burrow's victory animation in 3DS Golf? Like, oh Lord.
I have not. I don't
haven't
want to think
seen
about it.
You made me want to think about it.
Magnet. Yep, there it is.
Magnet.
Okay, so var magnet equals false. Actually, we're gonna set to null. So now if magnet equals null, magnet equals area. Okay, so if a ring falls within a radius of approximately 64 pixels around Sonic's position, then they will become magnetized and begin to move. When magnetized, rings have an X and Y space. Okay, right, but first it does a check to see if Sonic is in relatively horizontally. If Sonic is to the left or right of the ring, speed is less than 0, add negative 0.0 to the ring X speed, otherwise ring's X speed. And the attractive ring.
Oh wait, they had a Super Mario Land remix in that.
Yeah.
Voila.
Mario, he will never be ballin'.
Mario 3-on-3 hoops. Holy shit, he's ballin'.
I actually have like Mario Sports Mix, and I love that game. When the attractive ring is relative to Sonic's verticality, if Sonic.
Yeah.
If magnet. Did I say magnet? I meant magnet. You guys should be checking my spelling because I'm horrendous.
What? I mean, I'm not discriminating how you say things.
But I will.
How would I describe physics in Sonic? Way, speed. Else if magnet. Oh, there's some code here. I'm just gonna copy that. There. Position.x. See, this is called cheating.
You do a little bit of cheating.
A bit of cheating. God, why is that like meme like stupidly funny to me?
This is like cheating. Says
Velocity.x.
Oh god.
All code is technically stolen anyway.
Oh god, I think I know where the "it's like cheating" comes from. Yo, pixel art is awesome. God, I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that promotional video for RPG Maker in a long time.
What's X and Y? Okay, so I don't need to worry about move because velocity already handles that. Zero. Okay, let's see how that turned out. Wait, hang on, I made a mistake. So I believe it's divide global x delta. X delta. How did I handle it here? Acceleration. I think it's in normal actually. Divided by delta. Okay. Where's ring? There it is. By delta, by delta. Okay, let's see how that checks out. Great, it didn't work. can't do false. Right, okay, hang on, I think I messed this up. So it's gotta be int. It ain't moving. Okay, so it's printing it that out. Yeah, that's a problem. Too many toasters. Oh, you know what's going on? It's not doing the translation. That's why. Now watch it speed up. There it goes. Okay, these buzzsaws are starting to get annoying, so I'm gonna move them away. There you go.
Nice.
So now we need to set this up so that the ring range changes. One thing I do love about like the Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games thing though is that I love like hearing Sonic Team's interpretation of like Mario music. So we want the shape to be 0 by default. Ugh, excuse me. I'm sorry about that. So I think by default we want dot shape dot radius equals 0 just by default, and when it's an electric shield it becomes 64. There, so see it? It's nothing there. Ta-da! And I could not have picked the worst time to move that saw blade away. Am I getting hit? I hate that button so much now. We lose it. So we could probably use a few more rings, I think. Just to show that it works. I think we did pretty good today. We're gonna move these shields out of the way, because I keep like running into them, it's annoying. So I got our electric shields, our fire shields, and our bubble shields. I think I might end the stream here. I think it's been a pretty good run, and I think everyone's getting pretty tired now.
Yeah, I'm starting to...
Oh, that's one bug I didn't realize. Oh, well, we can fix it up later. Okay, I want to thank everybody for coming. Thanks, Rob. Thanks, LF, for coming. I think we made pretty great progress today. Thanks, Gamma, for the code help too. If you're watching like the stream archive or something. Okay, let's turn that off. Yeah, it's been fun. Thanks, guys. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream.